Today's Sunday, guys, and we'll be doing our Sunday program, Sunday Love Feast later on. And the guys, the rest of the devotees here are very busy shaving up their heads, and we will be cooking for the feast later. Look at the place. It's Prabhu Raghunath here.
Hello.
This is for my vlog. I have a vlog, Prabhu. Here. That's everybody. And that is Raghunath over there. Yeah, look at the place. That's the bedrooms there. And that's Prabhu Sham. Haribol. And that's temple. That's Mother Jennifer over there. That's our altar. That's Prabhupada in orange. That one is Prabhupada. That's Krishna, the bluish color. Look at the place. It's very nice. We have a lot of tulasi plants here. Let's try to check what these guys are doing here. Big Mouth Raghunath or Buddha Yoga. What is he up to? Look at them. That's Radha Vallabha, and this is Raghunath. Radha Vallabha is shaving up his head.
Naku, 1,000 likes naman yan. Naku, 1,000 likes kami nung nakaraan.
Upawi na, Barbz. Happy likes tika.
Wag. Life and ako yan. Life and soul yan.
I guess the seitan here, or the gluten, is done. That's Uncle, and that's Chaitanya over there. So that's actually some flour and making it in a dough. Now we're washing it to take away all the starch, and we need to boil it down. This one, we'll be boiling this down, and we'll be cooking this for later.
Nagliho ka, kaya maputol mo liog.
Mura siya like the devil barber of the Fleet Street. Kunuhay barber siya. Nagana din. Naon dito sa iyang kuwan.
Si kuwan ba to? Si
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp. Kita ko itong salita. Lutuon pag yun.
May mag-burger.
May mag-pie ba? Meat pie. Giyahan.
Okay guys, so we'll be preparing for what we'll be cooking today. So it's early morning, painit sa amin. We have your pandesal.
Maghimo pa ba sa bed, Sham?
And this one is gluten. This is seitan. It's a seitan. Yeah, that's an orange. So I'll be cooking her pancit, potatoes. I'll be making samosa later. This will be for the samosas, and we'll be making juice out of this talbos na kamote or kamote tops or gai in Bisaya. This is Indian dal. I will also be cooking that one. And let's see what we can cook for later for the feast. Okay guys, so I'm boiling now our lentils or mungos, and I'm boiling water so we can boil this thing here, the seitan. Okay guys, so mangwa mi kamunggay here with Uncle. Tara. Here guys. Ooh, so many kamungays here. Ooh, tara. Oh, okay na Nicole. So we're now boiling our seitan here, or our gluten, and our mungos is also boiling. We'll just have to wait for that to soften totally. Okay guys, so I already sauteed our spices for our munggos, and we'll just have to wait for this to boil so we can put all our malunggais here. So first recipe is almost done, and our gluten here, our seitan, is also done. We had it boiled, so I'll have to marinate this one, slices into bite size and marinate, and we'll have another recipe for this one. So our munggos is done. I put some coconut, freshly squeezed coconut milk, and some kamunggay leaves there. So we'll just have to simmer that a bit, and we'll turn up the heat and proceed with our next recipes. Okay guys, so I'll be cooking the pancit now since our munggos is done. So I have here my cut veggies, sayote and carrots, and I will put in some bell pepper and cabbage, and we'll have our Thai juice later. This kamote tops in calamansi. Okay, so I've already sauteed our vegetables, and we'll just have to wait for this to boil so we can put in our pancit. And this mungo here, I'll be making this into pakora, mungo fritters, mungo pakora, and we'll be making this into a very delicious barbecue. So we're making dough for our samosa. Basic ingredients, I have here our acha or the whole wheat flour, our ghee or the clarified butter, and our salt and water. So you just have to mix everything. First, you need to put onto the flour, we need to put salt, just a bit of salt, and then pour in our ghee, and then make it into a fine a sand texture, just like a sand texture, and then put water little by little, so you will make into a very nice dough. This is it. This is already a circle, and then we just need to turn this into half. Get one. You get one for yourself too.
Okay, chai.
This part.
There you go.
That part. Put water just at the center. Okay. Put water. Very good. Just sa center lang. And then like this. Sige. Kuha ang tumoy niya. Alright. Kani siya sa ilaw. Kani ang babaw nga walay water, ha? Ana. Like this. Bale. Ana imong kamot. Ana. Sige. Ana. Gi ana. Ana. Okay, diri ana. And then bislit-bislita lang. Ana. Very good.
Ayun, cone na gyud siya. Cone na gyud siya.
Make it into a cone. Pislita lang na siya. Walay buslot. Ana. Pislita lang. Sige. Ana. Cone na siya. Adjust lang. Na.
Fill it up.
Let's put our filling. Okay, put your
Hindi na
filling.
siya mabuslot. Hindi na siya mabuslot.
Hindi na siya mabuslot. Basta may buslot, ha?
Ikaw, Chay. Ay, sige, jumbo ka ng gamagaw.
Okay. More pa.
Gamay pa.
Space. Okay.
Okay, panalo.
Okay, ana. And then, let's put water.
Sa kilid.
Put lang sa edges. Half lang put. Okay. And then, seal. Kusi-kusia lang siya. Kusi-kusia lang.
Ayun, oh.
There.
Pilit na.
Pilit na.
Pilit na yun.
Okay. Oh, like this na siya.
Ayun,
Small,
oh,
like a Halloween hat. Sige, adjust lang ka.
Halloween hat, Chay.
Okay, very good for our first time. Very good. Okay?
Okay.
And then, balingkura siya, Prabhu. Bulingkod na.
Ayun, oh.
Ana. Sige, ikaw rin, Tiwa. Sige, mag-fry na ko.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Dia dong anak kung asa tu pakai ya ada.
Dapat parehas ang kamagkon.
Dari dong anak.
Okay.
Di parit kiri tu. Itu saya. Okay.
Okay, ito nga anak, Prabz, anak. Oh.
Tunggu.
Straight. Ayun.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ayun. Mahimar ng cone. Ano oras yung kamot? Ayun na. Kuha na yun. Chef ganun siya na yun. Chay-chay yun. Oh. Nakuha ng chay-chay yun. Excuse kuya, awa kuya. No way, don't touch kuya.
Gana din eh.
Ito ang tubig na ano.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Tadi butang. Kau na ni.
Radha Damodar Radha Damodar Radha.
Jaya Radha Damodar.
Kana mura ka nang magputo pa ba? Kana sulanan sa puto ba?
Oh, Raganat na dyan.
Radanat.
Raganat.
Radanat on.
At tawag yan niya kay Raganat niya. Kasi Raganat, uy! Wala siya tawag, uy.
May kilay, raganat.
Raganat.
Raganat. Akrab na sige na raganat na. Hare Krishna. Saan si Barbz after that?
Tapos ano lang kanang pila-piluan lang gamay sa tumoy-tumoy.
Sa patong lahuman.
Okay, panalo.
Kusi-kusi.
Panalo. Muna na. Muna na.
Paso.
Hi guys! Hawa ko na, it's so haggard na. Look what we have cooked. Everything is here. So we have here our juice. This is very healthy juice. This is made up of this one, the kamote tops or the guy or the talbos ng kamote. Then the leaves, I made it into salad. And the water, I made it into juice. With calamansi. Okay, and if you have no sugar, you can use honey, or if no honey, just plain sugar. And this one is our dal or our munggos with very fresh malunggay leaves from over there.
Okay, go.
And then our samosas, which just made up of potatoes and green peas. And this is our seitan or our gluten. This is very yummy, together with this very yummy barbecue sauce as well. And our pakoras, this is made of munggo. It's just munggo pakoras, guys. And our walang kamatayang pansit, since pansit is live. So yeah, and all the rest of the guys there, they're still making that samosa.
Haribo!
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 Yeah, so that's it. That's it, guys, and we will be eating after everything. The table is already set up, and we will be eating. See you later, guys.
Haribo!
All right, guys. So look at them. They're so happily
Barbz!
enjoying our food. Yeah, look at that. Chaitanya was able to make very nice, beautifully shaped triangle samosas in Prabhu Radhanath.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
And Hare Krishna. Look at them. Whoa.
Ang ganda pala naman ito.
Yeah, how's the food, guys?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Bravo.
Yeah. Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Mother, let's eat. Oh, kahangin. Wala na, I put it here. Yeah, in here. Yeah, I put it here in our Kamuti top salad? Yeah. Ito yun ay mong inani. Kana barbecue sauce.
Darang hang. Chay.
Actually, hang na dyan na siya. Okay guys, look at my face after I finished cooking everything here. And look at the devotees. Ooh, happily eating. Look, just look at them.
Okay. Hindi mo tayo
What?
magtagot tayo.
Isa tayo magkaila ron guys, kay gutom na. Okay, so we'll eat and we'll enjoy. And look at our view. Ooh, it's so nice. Eating in this kind of view, guys, is just so amazing. It's perfect. Look at that. Oh,
Joy.
joy. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you again later. We'll just have to finish eating. Okay, guys. So, Prabhus, how's our food?
Very nice. Very good.
Very good.
One second time.
Where's your barbecue sauce?
Second round.